Have you ever dreamed of owning a timepiece that combines luxury, precision, and adventure in one? Introducing the Omega Seamaster Planet Ocean 600M Co-Axial Master Chronometer GMT Worldtimer. A watch that is more than just an accessory, it's a statement. This extraordinary timepiece is crafted for those who seek the thrill of exploration. Whether deep beneath the ocean or across different time zones, with its 45.5 millimeters titanium case, sapphire crystal dial, and cutting-edge master chronometer movement, this watch is built for precision, durability, and style. The first thing you'll notice is the titanium case, which is both lightweight and incredibly strong. It's paired with a matching titanium bracelet, giving it a sleek yet rugged look. The black ceramic bezel features a liquid metal diving scale, ensuring that every detail is crafted to perfection. But what truly sets this watch apart is the dial, the world map at the center, made with laser-ablated continents, adds a unique touch that represents global exploration. Surrounding the map, a 24-hour ring allows for easy tracking of different time zones, perfect for travelers and professionals alike. The names of major cities around the world are displayed on the outer ring, with London in red, indicating GMT time. Beyond its stunning design, this watch is a true technical masterpiece. The Omega Co-Axial Master Chronometer caliber 8939 ensures top-tier precision, certified by METAS for its anti-magnetic resistance up to 15,000 gauss. This means it remains accurate even in extreme environments. The GMT function allows you to track time in multiple zones simultaneously, making it an ideal companion for international travel. And with a 600-meter, 2,000 feet water resistance, this watch is designed for deep-sea diving while maintaining a helium escape valve for added safety. Every detail of this timepiece reflects Omega's commitment to excellence. The sapphire crystal case back allows you to admire the movement inside, a testament to the brand's craftsmanship. The superluminova-coated hands and indexes ensure readability even in the darkest conditions. Whether you're underwater or in low-light environments, this is not just a watch, it's a tool, a companion, and a legacy. Whether you're exploring the ocean depths, flying across continents, or making a statement in a boardroom, the Seamaster Planet Ocean 60M GMT Worldtimer is designed to keep up with your journey. If you're looking for a watch that blends sophisticated style, advanced technology, and extreme durability, the Seamaster Planet Ocean GMT Worldtimer is the ultimate choice. Whether you're navigating the oceans or the business world, this timepiece ensures you're always on time wherever you are. This isn't just a watch, it's a symbol of excellence and adventure. If you want to own a piece of Omega's legacy, the Seamaster Planet Ocean 60M GMT Worldtimer is waiting for you. Are you ready to take your timekeeping to the next level?